In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Facebook ads using the local cards option. Making sure your payment options are set up correctly is crucial for a smooth advertising experience, and today we'll guide you through each step of this process. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Facebook Ads Manager. You can easily find it by doing a quick search on Google. Once you're there, look for the Go to Ads Manager button and click on it. This button is your gateway to accessing all of your ad campaigns and billing information. Next, you'll need to log into your Facebook account, enter your email and password in the designated fields. Make sure you're entering the correct information to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, click on the login button. Now that you're logged into your Facebook account, navigate to the campaigns dashboard. This is where you have an overview of all your ad campaigns and additional settings that you can manage. From here, look towards the top menu and click on Billing and Payments. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage how you pay for your campaigns. Once you're in the Billing and Payments section, locate and click on Payment Settings. This is where you'll be able to add and manage the different payment methods associated with your account. When you've done that, go ahead and click on Add Payment Method. This action will open up various options for you. Now, here's the key part. You want to choose local cards as your payment method, but do note that this option might not be available in all regions. It's important to check if it's available where you are. If it is, proceed to enter your card information carefully. Double check the details to ensure there are no errors. Once you've entered your information, look for the Save button and click it. This will add the local card to your payment methods. Facebook will now be able to charge your local card whenever payments are due for your ads. Lastly, it's worth remembering that the local cards option is not available in every Facebook Ads Manager account. Always make sure to verify if your region supports this feature. If not, consider other available payment methods that suit your needs. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to pay for your Facebook ads using the local cards option. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your ad payments more effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy advertising!